What's up guys, I'm Kenny and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be another review video. We're doing a portable tire inflator by SUPERBARS. Now I already have it out of the box here to show it. Has a pretty slick look and it's got some weight to it. So you have your usuals, you have a LED, strobe LED, an SOS. Usually those are red, but this one is not. And then you have different modes, like car, motorcycle, bicycle, basketball, or custom. It does up to 100 psi, or no, 160 psi. It comes with a detachable air hose, which threads in. And then you have a clamp style fitting for your valve stems. And then another little packet of like a needle, or for like inflatables. Comes with a charger, a DC plug, cord, type C, both ends. And this is a 45 watt charger, so that's pretty good. And a cute little, kind of pretty tough pouch, and it has a little pocket on the side with drawstrings on the top. So we'll be trying this out on a flat tire, but also it has the app. You can see it right here. It's called the Signal Supervisor app. You can get it on Android or Apple, and it is free. I'll show you how about that. First, let's put this air hose on it and see how it does. It says it has 36 psi in it. I was wondering if it shuts off. I don't think it automatically does, so I'll turn it off. Oh, gotta hold it. Just like that. Alright guys, so now you've seen it work. One thing, it does get kind of hot, so might want to take it easy on it. But you did see how fast it aired it up from 0 to 36 psi. Now I do have it's a 245/65 R17, so it's kind of a bigger tire than some of these small ones. So now that we've seen it work in action and know everything about it, oh, I forgot to show you on the bottom is where this little flip is. You have a USB, you have the type C charger, and you have, I think, is a reset button. So, but now that you've seen all that, let's check out the app. Here we go. Okay guys, so when you open the app, you'll have to sign in or create an account, which I already did. And then you have to add your device, which it'll automatically find it. It's kind of like Bluetooth, I guess. So this is once you get it added, then you just click your device, and if you notice, you can well, that needs to reconnect, but you can change your mode settings. You can go from car, motorcycle, bicycle, a ball, or custom. And then below that you can set your units, and then you hold the power button and it will turn on. You can do a quick inflation, and then you have your inflation records here. So I have just one on here. That's when I first installed the app. And it even tells you your power, your battery percent, how long it took for the inflation. Then it even gives you a next pressure date to check. Next air pressure check date. And it tells you for each category. So it's kind of fancy, guys. So guys, if you like what you see, go check them out. Link down below. Seemed like a pretty good air pump to me. So if you like this video, make sure you smash the like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.